Special, beautiful 007 airplane takeoff, MI6 mission, summer's evening weather, UK 25. If I unzip that screen, that plane just landed. There's another one back to take off right this minute. We should get to right this minute. There we go. There it is in the distance over there. It's about to take off right now. Tyler Mountain Digital scene. It's approximately 19:02 p.m. in the evening. Our log, that's approximately 10 minutes past 7 p.m. in the evening, and it is July the 3rd, Friday evening, on the summer's evening, guys, on a beautiful summer's evening, high temperature, 26 Celsius at Farnborough Airport right now. This plane is about to take off from Farnborough Airport on a beautiful summer's evening here at Farnborough Airport right this minute. I'll hopefully finish this time. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. In the distance over there on the right side of the screen. It should be taking off right this minute. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. There it goes. Here it's coming now. Here we go. Wow, what a sight. Wow. There's MI6 007, James Bond, takeoff. Wow, what a sight. Wow. Okay, I think 60, 80 miles per hour right now. Wow, 100 miles per hour, actually. Wow, what a sight. Wicked, man. Here to MI6 007, James Bond. Another mission. James Bond. Look at Squash on Santa. Look at places, go places. Hi everyone. It's Squash on Santa. Smile beer.